Hi crafty friends, it's Tracie Hinds, aka Nanner BaNanner. And guess what I have? My very first Happy Mail. So I don't know how much I should share, but I just got through watching Kadisha's channel and I decided, you know what, that's what's missing. We need to just open ourselves up and let everybody get to know us, the good parts, the raw parts, all of it. So I have shared in a live that last Friday was a rough day at work, and this week's been more of the same. And one of the things I will share is a good work friend of mine is moving on to a much bigger opportunity than where she is with us now. And we are very happy for her and wish her the best, but it is really sad and hard. There's 3 of us girls that work together, and we all happened to go to high school together. It wasn't planned. We each came to our employer at different times, but we all went to high school together. We all graduated at the same time, and 2 of us had a part-time job at the same place in high school, and we're all 50 something. So I don't know what it is, if it's that we're all kind of the same age or what, but we've really bonded. And we haven't, or had, because it's about to change, an amazing work team because of that. And that's about to change. That doesn't mean it won't be good again, or who knows, maybe it'll be better. Thinking positive. But it's been a rough week, and I've been feeling really down about it, and some other things going on. And this came today and put the biggest smile on my face. And I thought it would be fun to open it up together. And that way you can see my reaction as I see the things. And this is from Joanne. And she has a channel. It's called Joanne's Junk Journals. And I will link her channel below. So please go check her out and show her lots and lots of love. And let's get started. Okay, let's see where I need to open this up. I'm so excited to get a package in the mail. I don't have any idea what's in it. All right. It's really packaged nice. Okay. Aw. Oh, this says, Tracie, I hope you like this Happy Mail package I put together for you. I'm so glad that we can be crafting friends. Love, Joanne. That's so sweet. Thank you, Joanne. I know I'll love it. She knows that I'm going to be doing a series of junk journals on Sesame Street and some train junk journals, so that's exciting. Let's see. Oh, a little junk journal I made for you. That is so sweet. Oh, Joanne, thank you so much. I just love that. Oh my gosh, I love it. You are going to make me cry. You guys, I just love this. I will put this in my purse and use it for lists. I absolutely love that. And I'm going to put this in here too to stick down. Thank you so much. I absolutely love this. I have got bags. I need to make some of these. These are so cute. I've never actually made one, but I had gotten all the stuff to make some little paper bag journals. That is really cute. Thank you. Oh, this will be well used for those journals. Some Sesame Street cards. Look at that. That's perfect. Elmo's always been my favorite Sesame Street character. How cute. You will definitely see those in my journals. Oh, and I love Apple stuff. Joanne has an Etsy shop too, you guys. You need to go check her out. She's got such neat little junk journal kits in her Etsy shop. This reminds me of like a miniature version of something she might have in her Etsy shop, and it's themed. Oh, did you make this? Is this fodder? Thank you. I love anything handmade. Oh my gosh, look at that Sesame Street guy. How cool is he? All right, all right, all right. I've got several of the Monster at the End of the Street journals. That'll be perfect. Yeah, she asked me what kind of journals I had coming up, and I've been wanting to do some Apple journals, and I may end up having to wait till next year or just do them at a random time. But I have a lot of the stuff to make them. It's just I'm trying to pick my themes, and there's just not enough hours in the day for everything. I'm sure you guys know what that's like. You have all these great theme ideas and you start curating stuff for them. I have a system where if I decide on a theme, I have these bins and I start adding things to the bins that I curate for that specific journal theme. Thank you so much, Joanne. So appreciated. Thomas the Tank Engine. My son loved Thomas the Tank Engine. He had a Thomas the Tank Engine and Brio track system when he was little, and he would spend hours and hours and hours building the tracks. It wasn't about pushing the train around on the track. It was about building the track. His son's not 3 yet. I think the age group on those are 3 and up, and I want to get him a set when he's old enough. Now this is so cute. This will make a cute journal. I will definitely turn this into a journal. Thank you. And the images I can use in other things as well. Man on the Move, Cliff Merritt scrapbook. Oh, this is neat. Very neat. I'll be able to use these images in those train books for sure. This is so nice. United Transportation Union. Isn't that neat? I am not left-handed, but if you guys have watched very many of my haul videos, I flip books like I am. I don't know what that's about. I've always done that. I really like that. That is neat. Oh, the monster at the end of the book. How cool is he? Thank you so much. You have hooked me up. Thank you. Love this stuff. Oh, these will be great in the journals. Thank you. Look at this vintage card. Isn't that neat? She recently showed one of these books in a haul video she did. And I wanted to buy one from her. And that's how we connected. And she said, why don't we just do Happy Mail? These will be such neat pages to add to the journals. Look at all these advertisements. Isn't that neat? Look at the advertisements. January 17th, 1990. Thank you. What is this? Saw that you have some neat Western themed books, so I'm enclosing some cowboy Old West pages to match. Oh my goodness, how neat is that? Look at this picture. That is so cool. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much. This looks like some pages I could use in the Mary Englebright books. More apple pages. Nice. Up the tree. Oh, George's pony. Riding a wild colt. Oh, these are neat. Those are beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't wait to make ephemera using these. I'll have to do that on a live. That'll be cool. Aren't those beautiful? I think those will be journal cards. Those are neat. Wow. Love these. Joanne, thank you so much. I won't let any of this go to waste. This is so neat. $1957. That is so neat. I've never heard of Ford Times. That's one of the neat things about haul videos and sharing Happy Mail is learning about publications and books you didn't otherwise even know existed. And just sharing and building that community with each other. I love all those images. Those are so neat. Here's a really neat train page. Those are neat. Those will make neat tags, and then those are just cool. More cowboy images. Some cute little apple recipe bookmarks. More paper that can be used in my Mary Engelbreit books. Apple. Oh, I love that. Look at that train image. That is so neat. This makes me want to just sit down and start making ephemera and playing. Love these images. I'm going to leave all this stuff in here and take it out and play with it periodically, and just add all the ephemera I make back into this box. That is so neat. I'll do some lives and pull some things out and make stuff out of it. I think that'll be fun. Like, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, Sesame Street. Didn't that make you want to get your crowns out in color? Those will be signature pages for sure. Oh, those are so cute. And the little toys. Joanne, thank you so much. You have really put a smile on my face. Thank you, thank you. You guys, don't forget to go check out her channel and give her some love, and check out her Etsy shop. She's got some really neat junk journaling kits in her Etsy shop. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sharing, and I'll see you next time. Keep it cute, keep it crafty, and keep making something out of nothing. Bye.